Got to take care of this bill, Scott.
Okay, let's go do it.
How much did we bill you for that? Katie Waters, we got Scott here. We billed him for something that should have been under warranty at his house, and he is very upset with me. He came in here just so we can get this straight. I don't have more to take care of on a Monday. Now you coming in the parking lot at me.
Sorry, I got to do what I got to do.
I know. How many years you and I been together?
Over 15.
15 years.
Got to be 15.
We were after the spring, took care of a leak.
What's the last name?
PED.
PED.
We'll start there.
Eaton. In the Eaton?
Eaton? No, Elwin.
Elwin.
See, you got
I was on E. I was on E.
I'm Scott.
Well, how much was his bill? I think it was fair, but now he owes me dinner. But we'll take him off his bill.
I can take you to dinner.
Well, I hope your wife is with us this time, because last time it got a little, a little much, you know what I mean? Huh. You know?
That's okay. I see where we're going with this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you better have cold drinks.
Cold drinks?
Yeah.
All right.
I see how this is working.
All right. You got him taken care of? Now I got this crazy roofer here. Mark, how are you doing, buddy?
Good.
You here to take care of this roof?
Yeah, let's
come on, let's take a look. Let's take a look at this roof. Mondays are crazy. How about your Monday, Mark?
Another crazy day.
Been a lot of rain. A lot of rain this year. A lot of storms. A lot of wind.
Oh yeah.
So the other day you came by, dropped me off a quote, so I wanted to give you a check for that.
I appreciate it.
So you think you guys get in here next week after, when you guys get a minute?
Absolutely.
There it is right there, in the back side of it. You saw it the other day.
You can see that cap that's
Yep.
come off of there.
Yep.
We need to redo that and button up around the side of that, but no big deal. We'll
Okay.
get this thing stopped.
So you can get me done?
We'll get it
You think you
done.
can get done for winter? I don't have any water on top of my head?
Nah.
All right, you're a good man,
We're
Mark.
not like the other roofers out there.
I only use one guy. That's you. All right.
Good deal.
We just
Good
need to
deal.
get her done. Thanks, Mark, for coming by.
Thank
Appreciate you. All right, come on. We got more shit to do today. Dealing with this crazy roofer. This guy's the best. Well, he's a little crazy. He's very expensive, but he's the best. And you pay for the best one time, and you don't have to get it repaired ever again. So that's the reason why we use Cunningham Roofing.
I have a little favor.
What?
When the electricity went out of my house last week, it blew out the timer on there. It messed it all up, the code and everything in there. And it's way off and it doesn't come on, and I don't know how to program that thing.
Well, come on, let's make it a ticket. Come on, back in here. We got rid of that Anne Arundel County police officer. That guy's a pain in the coming in here beating me up about his bill.
Yeah,
But we take care of him.
he's keeping us safe out.
Yeah, he does. Hey, he's a good man. Let's get this service call written up.
All right.
Waters, Mark Cunningham.
How you doing?
Lives in Bowie.
How are you?
Yep.
Mark and I have been friends for probably 25, 30 years.
25 years.
So all kind of different
Doing
episodes in
stuff
our life, you know? He liked to kill me a couple times, but it's mutual. We take care of each other. You know what I'm saying? He needs some help on this lighting system, on his digital timer, so we need a service call there.
Everything's been working great. Fantastic system. I love it. Lights up the whole house. I just have a little problem. I don't know. It's a electronic controller there, and I need a little help with someone to program it and get the times back in sync. We lost electricity.
Let's have
so I
Ever
need someone
schedule
to come
Ever
over.
for 1 hour. He knows Mark's system, and he can get you programmed up. And if we need to replace some parts, he can do that. Because the electrical store might have put out some parts too. You know, throw it off the sink and/or cause a problem.
Well,
So
it comes up and it lights up everything.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, but
time's
definitely
off.
the time's off.
Okay,
for sure,
okay.
For sure.
Let's take a look at it. We'll get by there this week.
Are you available tomorrow between 12 and 4?
Is it outside or in the garage?
It's in the garage, so they'll need to get in.
Don't we still have your garage code, or you changed it?
Probably a different code.
He probably doesn't trust us anymore, and he probably changed it. You know how these contractors are. This guy.
Tomorrow's good. Tomorrow afternoon. If they'll call me, I'll make sure that they can get in. Like I said, it'll take them 5-10 minutes, and they'll probably be out of there. I think everything's fine. It didn't blow the system. It just
Right.
knocked the codes out. So,
Okay. All right, you are all set.
all right.
You
Thank
good to
you
go?
so much.
Thanks
you,
for coming in,
Appreciate
sir.
your help.
Yes,
You're always
sir.
the
We'll
best.
get you taken care of. This has been a crazy Monday. Everybody's coming in. How am I supposed to get any work done?
Well,
You know, but it's good to see everybody.
yeah.
You know.
We'll get her done.
All right. Thanks, Mark. All right. I'm back on the road again.
Going on the road.
Great in. We ready to go? All right. Come on. Let's go. Saddle up. Come on. We got to shoot this.
Oh, we got more to do.
Come on.
Oh,
Hop in there. We'll take 5 minutes, knock this out.
All right.
This guy drives me crazy. He keeps texting me. He texts me all day Sunday. I need these bins for my garage makeover you just did for me. Luckily, he come down today. I didn't have to run up to his house. He's a major pain in the but we love this guy. Chris, you think this will do you?
That'll be great.
So you put your tools in there. Not your tools, all the screws that are loose in your head. What do you think? You think they'll go in there?
I might need 2 of these for all those.
Think this will work?
That'll work. Great.
Well, We'll talk to you soon. I'm going to head down to Annapolis now, get out of here, check up on another job. If I can get in my truck. And who parked this truck here? Whose truck is this?
That's mine.
Ah,